Nigerian government supposed to understand that we don't just like this country at all. We don't just like this country. Like nothing we una go ever do self may bring us together. I wake up this morning, I know they're happy. If you be Igbo person, put Biafra flag for your profile, both Facebook and TikTok.
Hello, my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, I want to use this medium to thank each and every one of us that has been supporting me, sharing my video, dropping comments, and also praying for our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. The reason why I bring this particular video here is because of what our brother said concerning what we Biafra need to do. So stay tuned and hear from him, and don't forget to share so that other Biafrans can also benefit from this particular video, because he has a serious message and he's making a lot of sense. So just calm down and watch this video. As they watch, do not forget to share so that this video will go further. We the Biafrans need to stand up and say no to Fulani men, and say no to Hausa people, and say no to Yorubas. If not, what is coming will disturb us and will disturb our generation. Share this video and remain blessed. One love. Peace.
Nigerian government supposed to understand that we don't just like this country at all. We don't just like this country. Like nothing we una go ever do self may bring us together. Because even small people with them born yesterday self, no say not really there with us. When Biafra be the only hope we will get. So people should give us Biafra. Nothing else we would ask about. Now only Biafra, nothing more. Not two things. We don't need on our oil. We don't need on our gas. If una claim say na una get gas, get oil, get good. We don't need all those things. Just give us Biafra. If you give us Biafra, we are free. So to hold Nnamdi Kanu hostage, you know, if you even solve anything. As in the insecurity self will go even they multiply allegedly. But if not release them, insecurity go stop for east. But if not still hold them, no problem, because all those things we wanna they do na Fulani. Unu need na bacha Fulani odibo. Ndara. People we no go school, as in they no even know anything. We na bari odibo ndi Igbo. Iheru na de mekwa mo, I swear. On have not like this chikate yere ndi Igbo na emem, because I watch and ndị na-ekwu okwu ha kwu okwu the whole world and ihe ha kwu, but still yet we keep silent. Innocent man was locked up allegedly, na lock am up for God dey. When they fear God, now remember say God dey, na God still dey make una breathe. Even if you like me, you get 300 trillion for your account. If you sleep, you know they even remember say you wear bursars, or you get phone, or you even get family member, or you even get prick self. But if you wake up, you go remember everything. So you need to use that thing alone. They fear God, because nobody know tomorrow. I don't talk my own finish. I wake up this morning, I know they're happy. If you be Igbo person, put Biafra flag for your profile, both Facebook and TikTok. Let us fight this fight once. If we no fight am now, nobody they come fight am for us. Nigeria, they use us play because say we wise past them, because say we no lazy like them. Now make that they use us play. How? As in how? We will be say we be Igbo people. We be say we get sense more than Hausa people. Now we go there, Mumu people come they rule us. They deceive us every blessed day. Me Nigeria break up with us. So me say I don't tire. Since 3 days now, I never even chop anything. I beg me when I talk this matter, may it go well. This country na a mess. So. I swear. This country na a mess. As in big mess. Full-time mess. So this one no be by as in full-time mess. This country don't move. You think this country don't move, because this country don't move. As in Nigeria no feel work again. Biafra be something we be say if I dream I go dey see am. Biafra we need do nothing else. Not just allow us may we go start our life now. We small blood still dey flow for our vein. Nigeria, when I leave us, I beg. Myself, I wake up this morning like this. Joy no deal. I think one thing we are not supposed to understand be say we Biafrans. We don't know. We already know where we're from. So I know if they deceive us now to one Nigeria, this one, that one, that kind of thing no they exist. And if they deceive South, we believe in but we that kind of thing no they no. Even small picking with them born now, 1 year you don't know say Nigeria no be where I from, na Biafra be where I from. So one day we go sleep in Nigeria and wake up in Biafra land. That one not sure. We believe in that one. So Nigeria government, when I free us, I beg. We use God they beg now. We use God they beg now because something will happen before. We don't make that kind of thing happen again. No, na just free us in peace. Make everybody just do their own day, JJ. Nothing pass like that. Nah, I beg go. Nigeria should let us go. Nigeria, may not let us go. May not leave Biafra, may we go. May not leave us, may we go now. Now by force to stay with you now. May Nigeria, may not leave us, may we go now. Sure. I've been a fighting I need. May
the Igbos don't kill. We don't shed blood. It's a taboo. You don't do that. Moses, foreign mercenaries have taken over the southeast and they are blaming IPOB and ESN. Why? If Asari Dokubo did not come out to pronounce the contract he has with the federal government to kill Igbo, would you have believed it?
All right, sir. What exactly are you referring to?
What I'm referring to is this idea
and do
that...
you have proof to it?
Sorry? Proof of what?
Can you back that up?
Proof of what Asari said?
Yes, that it's to kill Igbos. Specifically to kill Igbos.
Mr. Okoro?
No, Barrister, please.
Did you hear what your colleague is saying? Something we have discussed here. That
to kill
who are they killing?
Specifically.
Hold on, who are they killing? He said he had been killing Igbos water. These are things that are in the public domain now. You heard him, he said it with his own mouth. So why is the doubt now? Because it has gotten to IPOB. Asari Dokubo said it with his own mouth.
Barrister, I wish we can, dig up that video. I didn't hear him say he will kill. He's been killing Igbos. What I heard that they've killed people, or he will kill people. Not Igbos in particular.
Hold on, no. Please, who are the people occupying Ugut and Okigwe, where he specifically mentioned? Who are the people there? Is it Hausas or Fulanis or Yorubas?
You tell me. I don't know.
You say?
You tell me. I don't know.
I should tell you.
Yes, please.
Please, whenever we are making this argument, let us be specific about it. That the eastern region called Southeast are occupied by the Igbos. Every other person there is a visitor. So, if somebody has been given a contract to go and be killing Igbos for whatever reason, and the man has come out to say it, why is it in doubt now? Asari Dokubo is still like, go and dig up those stories now. Go and dig it up. Is this something that happened 200 years ago? This is something that Asari Dokubo judged this year in particular. And we discussed it here. They even played insert of what he was saying. So why is that now in doubt? This one that happened in Delta now, that the army is claiming is IPOB and ESN. Please, what concerns IPOB with Delta State that is from the south?
Barrister, looking at where this happened actually, from what you're getting, it happened within the Osimili North local government area. That's the Upper Nam, which actually have made it so open to say that they are Igbos, if we're to look at this the way it is, Barrister Darlington. So are you not saying too that if you're talking about the way people have been talking about the IPOB and its movement, are you ruling out the Deltans now from the Biafra and, the agitation?
Look, when things happen, let us be specific about it. IPOB have now told you, charge them to court. That means, are you telling me that IPOB now want to disown their own? No, tell me. Can IPOB disown their own? I remember when Emma Powerful said that if you see anybody enforcing sit at home, kill him. That it is not from IPOB. Openly, he said it severally. These same people, listen very well, though, they have told you that if the security of the South is given to them, that if one person died, they should hold them responsible. This thing has been said severally.
Right, let's bring some other the other guests.
Nobody listened to what they were saying.